Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cozy and comfy. Yes!
Yay!
A bed. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the head area of the bed. This is the big part that stands up at the top. Let's draw the two front legs and the head part of the bed. Great job! Next, let's draw a big comfy pillow. We love pillows, don't we? Now draw the bed cover. Make it nice and puffy. Awesome! Let's add the two back legs now. We need the bed to stand strong. And now, let's draw a check pattern on the bed cover. Draw lines going down and across like a crisscross. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Let's go over the lines again to make our outline bold and sharp. This makes our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
It's time to color now. Let's bring out our rainbow colors. We'll color with red color,
Wow!
orange color,
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, pink color, you're doing amazing! Look at those bright rainbow colors! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy art with Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time! Bye-bye, little artists!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.